Hey there, good morning. So this is gonna be a fun little episode. I ended up getting rid of my 2018 Vitpilen 401 and I got a 2020. I was kind of bummed because when I got it, none of the exhaust worked. They changed all the exhaust. They routed it under the frame. It was just terrible and it's kind of annoying. I was waiting for people to come up with aftermarket headers, and finally somebody came up with one. It's like $700 for a decat header, and that's not gonna happen. I mean, it's too much money to spend on something kind of silly just for a little bit of volume. But I ended up just postulating they don't change these bikes that much, and so I assumed the frame was the same, the swing arm was the same, the engine was the same, the exhaust was going to be the same. So I took a gamble and I ordered a complete exhaust system from a 2017 KTM Duke 390. Not even a Husqvarna, but it's the exact same bike essentially, and turns out it fits perfectly. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be putting that exhaust on. It's going to be a lot of time lapse. I might do a little bit of voiceover on some of the gotchas, but long story short, if you have a 2020 Vitpilen and you're looking for some exhaust, just get something off the older bike. It fits fine. So I'm still missing a clamp. I was short one clamp right here, so that's not on there, so the pipe's just kind of loose. It's just hanging out right now. But you can see the muffler box fits just fine. All the fasteners are there. The header fits just fine. Goes all the way on just like it used to. Now the whole bottom of the bike's completely free and open. There's no more exhaust hanging down. There's no more shield hanging down. If you got a 2020, you know what I'm talking about. This stuff's kind of a nightmare. But it was pretty easy. So without further ado, let's get to work. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can see it's just taking parts off and putting parts on. If you know what you're doing, you got a basic set of hand tools, and you've worked on one of these bikes or just any bike before, you can easily figure this out. Get yourself some cheap exhaust from eBay just to take off. You can even use the aftermarket stuff, and that's what we're going to be doing next. I'm going to be taking the muffler and the cat off of this, and we'll be putting a decat pipe in the middle of it, get some volume back, and it's super easy. No reason to wait for anybody to come out with any new exhaust. Just get what's currently on the market now. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I want to say a special thank you to the 1,000 subscribers. I finally hit the 1,000 mark. For those of you that don't know, YouTube does not allow you to monetize any videos until you hit 1,000 subscribers and have a certain number of view hours. And I have had this channel since, oh boy, 08, and used to get a few bucks from them here and there, but then they changed everything and made it a lot harder for YouTubers to monetize. I'm not in this for the money. I'm not even in it to make the videos. I just think this stuff's kind of fun. And I know a lot of you are here because of Jake the mini bike and the Vitpilen 401. Maybe some of you are here for that lifted RS. Whatever brings you to the channel, I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you hanging out. And again, thank you for watching.